And also, condolences to the family of JC Culyar. His dad passed away yesterday. So let's just give a prayer for the Culyar family. So, diba, he played tonight. Diba, we dedicated the game to him, to his family, and to the soul of his father. So, if you have time, please put some prayers to the Culyar family.
Kaya pala nung nagpe-pray ito sa kanina, ganun na lang yung reaction nyo.
Yeah, we were really, we feel for the family. So it's hard, diba? Being a professional guy, I'm sure he wanted to be with his family, but he said he wanted to be with his family also here. And I'm sure his dad wanted him to play, so he played. So that's, you have to give a shout out to him, but that's hard. But our hearts go to the Culyar family.
Also what Coach Mike said with JC, I'd like to share with JC, it's really hard to play after that happens with your family. He has a flight at 2 a.m., but he still had the strength to come out and play, and he played well tonight. And JC hasn't been anything but positive and strong, and I think that really inspired and motivated us today. Like yesterday in practice, he wouldn't even be able to tell. He was in there getting shots up before and after. He stayed positive and he works hard. So yeah, shout out to JC and prayers to his family as well.
Coach, hindi na pag-usapan like na wag mo na maglaro si JC or
the first thing that I told him, be with your family. So sabi ko, kasi his dad is they're from Italy, right? They're from Italy. So I said, go and get the fastest flight to be with your family. And he said, I have an obligation to my family also here, so to my Phoenix family. And he said, my dad would love to see me play, diba? So he got the earliest flight after our game. So, but talagang I just salute him for that. I don't know. If I was in his position, I wouldn't even be able to move siguro, diba? Pero you have to give a lot of credit, a lot of heart to JC.